What's up, fam? Coach Ray here, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know to start going to the gym from zero to confident beginner style. Let's get into it. Hitting the gym builds strength, boosts your energy, and helps you burn fat while building lean muscle. But it's not just physical. Working out releases endorphins that crush stress, sharpen your focus, and seriously upgrade your mood. Before you walk in, get your mindset right. No more excuses, no time, no energy, no motivation. Everybody starts somewhere. Set a clear goal. Are you trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just feel healthier? Write it down. If you've got any health conditions, check with your doctor first. Safety always comes before gains. Now, choosing your gym. Pick one close to home or work. Convenience keeps you consistent. Compare pricing plans and see what fits your budget. Look for clean equipment. And, if you're new, a gym with trainers who can guide your form. Can't afford a gym membership? No stress. You can absolutely start with home workouts using just your body weight. Let's talk gear. Get a solid pair of training shoes with good grip and support. Wear breathable, comfortable clothing that lets you move freely. Always bring a water bottle and a small towel. Lifting gloves are optional, but they help with grip on heavier days. Before any workout, warm up. It gets your blood flowing and protects you from injury. 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio is all it takes. Add some dynamic stretching too. Never skip this step. Now for the basics. Squats for your legs and core. Push-ups for chest and arms. Planks for core stability. And lunges for balance and lower body strength. Master these body weight moves before adding heavy weights. You'll see machines and free weights in the gym. Machines are beginner-friendly and guide your movement. Don't skip cardio. The treadmill, bike, or even jump rope torches calories. Just 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week makes a real difference for your heart. Here's something critical. Proper form beats heavy weight every single time. Lifting too much too soon is the #1 beginner mistake. It leads to injury, not gains. Other common mistakes: skipping your warm-up, using bad form, never taking rest days, and comparing your progress to someone else's journey. Everyone's pace is different. Stay in your own lane. Breathing matters too. Exhale on effort, inhale on release. And always stay hydrated before, during, and after your workout. Let's talk fuel. Protein helps repair and build your muscles. Think chicken, eggs, beans, or protein shakes. Keep your overall diet balanced with carbs and healthy fats too. Eat a light meal an hour before training. And refuel with protein and carbs after you're done to recover properly. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. Take at least 1 or 2 rest days a week. And always listen to your body. Pain is different from soreness, so don't push through injury. As you get stronger, apply progressive overload, gradually increasing your reps, sets, or weight over time. Track your progress. Use a notebook or an app to log your workouts and how you feel. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 3 solid workouts a week beats 1 crazy session followed by 2 weeks off. Struggling with motivation? Set small weekly goals and celebrate your wins. Consider grabbing a workout buddy or a trainer to keep you accountable. That's it, fam. Lace up, walk in with confidence, and trust the process. I'll see you at the next one. Let's get it.